Welcome to Lavender Bergamot Kitchen. I'm going to talk about how to cut up leafy greens today. So this is chard. It's the first chard of the fall here in Davis at least. And it looks like this. This is rainbow chard, so it's got lots of different colored stems. So what you want to do is you want to just chop off the thick part of the stem, but don't throw this away. These are actually edible on chard. On things like kale and collards, they take a lot longer to cook. They're still edible, but you really have to kind of cook them for a while before you add the greens. For these, all you need to do is saute them a little bit. They're kind of the texture of celery, so it doesn't take too long. I already trimmed this one, but you want to trim off the bottoms. And then you're just gonna cut them into little bits. And then these, you just want to saute them in the pan for, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes or something until they get a little bit soft before you add the greens in. So for the greens, got this nice big pile here. This is a whole bunch. And we're going to do what's called a chiffonade. So I found the biggest leaf, and I'm going to just put that one on the bottom and roll this up. Okay? So now, I'm going to just run my knife through it, and it's going to create these ribbons of the green. And it's just a really nice way to get it all cut up very, very quickly. They're very long though, so what I like to do after I've done that is I go through again a couple of times the other direction, just to kind of shorten them up a little bit. I'm not too worried about it because I don't really mind if there's some longer pieces. When they cook down, they get a lot smaller too. And then, like I said, cook these first. Once they're soft, then throw in this whole batch here and toss it around. If you're going to be just cooking these to have ready to throw into any dishes that you're doing that week, you can just leave it kind of plain with salt and pepper. I do really like to add garlic whenever I'm cooking up a big pan of greens though, because almost always I'm going to add garlic anyway, and that way they're already seasoned. So if I was going to do something really, really simple, like open a can of beans and add some greens to it, for example, I wouldn't have to actually add any additional seasoning. The greens themselves are super great, all by themselves. So it's getting ready to be green season, so I hope you are going to start cooking a lot of them. We'll do a lot more videos about greens coming up in the next couple of months. And until then, make sure you like and subscribe so you can find our videos every time we post. Thanks.